Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. November 18, 2017, naglaban ang ating kababayang si Jerwin Ancajas para depensahan ang kanyang titulong IBF Junior Bantamweight kontra sa isang future prospect, undefeated boxer at tinatawag na Irish Gatti na si Jamie Conlan, na kung saan 4 na beses pinabagsak ito ng ating kababayan. Yan ang pag-usapan natin sa video ito mga pre. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga videos ko. Ang ating kababayang defending champion na si Jerwin Ancajas, na may record na 27 wins, 1 loss at 1 draw, ay dumayo pa sa bansang Ireland para depensahan sa ikatlong pagkakataon ang kanyang titulo sa isang undefeated prospect at crowd favorite na tinatawag na Arturo Gatti ng bansang Ireland, na si Jamie Conlan, na may record na 19 wins at 11 dito via knockout. Si Jamie Conlan mga pre ay may amateur boxing record na 107 wins at 11 lang ang talo, pero hindi ito inatrasan ng ating kababayan.
The Mexican Pretty Boy Ancajas.
Okay boys, if it's all mate, take one step back. Don't throw punches to the back of the head. Protect yourselves at all times. Touch gloves. Good luck, boys.
Bit of a boxing cliche, but if he pulls this off, it is a life changer.
Simula ng laban ay tansyahan pa ang dalawa.
Tonight, he's got a marginal height and reach advantage. Conlan is having to cope with Ancajas, who's a southpaw, as you see, leading off with it. And Michael's been boxing southpaw with it.
Yeah, Michael's a very talented boxer.
Some extraordinary battles, of course, to get and keep it long. Don't get into a toe-to-toe brawl.
Pero ilang minuto lang ng unang round ay naka-score agad ng knockdown ng ating kababayan.
Oh, that. Oh, what's happened here? Well, what's happened here? He's gone down for something I honestly...
Pero nakatayo pa si Conlan.
Problem with his leg.
He has got a problem with his leg, I think his lead leg.
Is his knee gone? He just sank to the canvas. It happened there.
I don't think it was from a punch, was it?
I don't believe so.
Well, if he's got a problem with that lead leg, then he may have a problem then of actually coming back and countering. But
Danny Vaughan straight off, so I'll shut up the moment that bell goes, and let's see if we can make sense of it.
it's very, very difficult to see. I mean, I don't think it's a punch.
Is it?
He gets clipped there just to the side, but well, that's very strange indeed. We thought it was that.
But we go now.
Sa second round ay dahan-dahan itong pinalalambot ng ating kababayan sa pamamagitan ng kaniyang mga patama sa bodega.
I think so, John. He probably just nicked the round, and then with the count as well, then it's probably a 10-8, which is really unfortunate for.
Good work from Conlan.
Just getting the timing right there, Conlan. Again, opting to box at distance and waiting for his opponent to come in with the punches that he throws.
Big step up in class this from anything Conlan has faced before. To keep Ancajas at bay, clash of heads there.
Occasionally you see him just feint with that jab. But Ancajas now is on that front foot, beating Conlan to the punches, but Conlan, I can see what he's trying to do there. He's just feinting with that jab and trying to trigger the attack off from Ancajas.
That was one round the back of the head. He's going to get in trouble for...
Look, left eye.
Oh dear. And it's a bad one. Blood seeping from that damage around the back end of that first round, and is now cut. And it looks as though quite badly cut.
Similar situations when he's been hurt here and there. John, I think they can sense that their man needs a little bit of help here.
Danny Vaughan saying you've got to weather the storm. It was a clash of heads, we think, there that caused the damage to the eye. There's the punch to the back of the head.
But that didn't cause the cut.
Battered across our notes here at ringside.
Sa ikatlong round ay knockdown na naman itong si Conlan nang matamaan ng malakas sa bodega.
grease over that eye, which is wiped away. But this is a huge test now. Massive. Little hero to follow in the footsteps of the great man. Targets the damaged right eye, left eye.
Try and target that left eye of Conlon, but that's better from Jamie Conlon there with the right hand.
Ancajas a patient sort of fighter, he doesn't quite have the... Oh my goodness! Solid straight right hand lead and followed up with the left hook. Conlon not having too much success in this third round. Oh, massive body shot again. Conlon, I thought momentarily was going to go down. Now huge body shots coming in again, and this time he does go down.
First shot was a good shot, wasn't it, from Conlon?
It's a brave 15 seconds of another huge round for the Filipino. More massive body chops coming in. Is he going to go down again? No, he doesn't. Somehow manages to stay up. Wow.
One shot, didn't he? Hurt him to the body. There it is. It's just a straight left hand. But Conlon, then he recovers. But then that's the green light then, isn't it, for Ancajas, just to target that body.
So that's
Big
twice
shots.
down now. Fourth round, IBF.
Sa ika-4 na round ay patuloy ang pananalasa ng ating kababayan. Dinudumina pa rin niya ang laban.
Ancajas is trying to wait for this fella to come forward. What he doesn't want to be doing now, Conlon, is leading off and then falling short and making Ancajas come back with his counters.
That damaged eye, keeping the gloves up, and that's creating the opening which Ancajas is exploiting to the body. Ancajas already has been told once to keep his punches up, and he's targeting the body of Conlon once more. Methodically.
Yeah, he's patient, yeah, definitely. He's got to stay off the ropes though, John.
Now a big left hook. Here comes the big body attack again. Conlon's in trouble, in big trouble. The referee will want to see punches to come back. Somehow he's digging in there and manages to find a left hook. But these bodies
Just looking, just trying to come back with the...
really hurting with this sustained body attack. And Ancajas is in complete command. Once more the volley shot. Conlon pulses the floor in frustration. Down for a second time. Is he going to get up this time? Is it 8? Is it 9? He's going to allow it to continue. It was very, very marked.
Filipino. Good shots there, keeps Conlon on the ropes. Just keeps the attack going. Conlon just trying to come back with that left hook there, wasn't he? And again.
But Williams now.
Ooh.
Conlon hits. Ancajas.
Dito sa round 5 ay tumba na naman itong si Conlon sa ikatlong pagkakataon nang matamaan ito sa bodega. Pero sabi ng referee ay low blow lang daw ito.
On that first knockdown, isn't it, in the opening round? What happened there? We give credit to Ancajas, very accomplished boxer indeed, boxing well at range. Got a very fast jab.
Having a much better round here. Nice uppercut though from Ancajas. And here comes the body shot again. And again. Referee saying no. Another one, and he'll get a point taken away, you suspect. Conlon will be given time. He's okay.
I think it was,
Another big body shot. Now is that low again? Now he's saying no knockdown. No knockdown, he's saying now what's he going to do?
he'll take a point here, won't he?
I think surely he's got to. There have been 2 warnings, and if he's decided that's low, that's the 3rd. 3 times, and here it comes. The point is taken away. Sorry, he says. The crowd say, is that a turning? And down, oh, I almost went down again. Torrid round again for this is why.
That's that low shot, just below that belt area, belt line rather.
Without the point deduction, that is.
Just looking at the
Hanggang sa ika-6 na round ay tumba ulit itong si Kunlan sa ika-4 na pagkakataon ng matamaan ng solidong suntok sa ulo.
And he goes again, right hand this time. Conlon thinks it was round the back of the head, but it was more on the side of the head.
At sa round na ito ay tinigil na rin ng referee ang nasabing bakbakan dahil kitang-kita na bugbog sarado na masyado ang undefeated Irish fighter.
Jamie Conlon, a 3rd defence of the title for Jerwin Ancajas, and he's still
coming. This is the end now. So it's on the side of the head, that right hook. I think the referee had probably seen enough. That was right. I mean, it's at the back of the head, if anything, side to the back. Let's have a look here, John. This, I mean, that is, it's at the back of the head.
Ito na rin ang huling laban ng undefeated prospect ng Ireland dahil sa maaga itong nagretiro.
Condition to continue, therefore your winner, and still IBF Super Flyweight Champion of the World, Jerwin Pretty Boy.
Sa kasalukuyan ay manager na siya ngayon ng kaniyang nakababatang kapatid na isa ring professional boxer, Olympic bronze medalist, European Amateur Boxing Champion at World Amateur Boxing Champion na si Michael Kunlan na may malinis na kartadang 13 wins at 7 dito ay bayan knockout. Shout out sa mga masugid kong subscriber: James Ivan Risilosa from Mactan, Cebu, Aloysius Montalban, Eric Tangaro, Dino Santiago, Fred Francisco from Butuan, Ronde Barlis from Nueva Ecija, Gabi Concepcion, Zalde Magnate. Maraming salamat sa inyo mga pre.